Good morning. A fox fell into a well, and though it was not very deep, he found that he was not able to get out again. After he had been in the well for a long time, a thirsty goat came by. The goat thought that the fox had gone down to drink, and so the goat asked if the water was good. The finest in the whole country, said the crafty fox. Jump in and try it. There is more than enough for both of us. The thirsty goat immediately jumped in and started to drink. The fox just quickly jumped on the back of the goat and leaped from the tip of the goat's horns out of the well. The foolish goat saw what kind of plight he had got himself into and begged the fox to help him out. But the fox was on his way to the woods. The fox said, "If you had so much sense as you have beard, my old fellow," and he said that as he ran, "you would have been more cautious about finding a way to get out again before you jumped in." The moral lesson of the story: look before you leap. Have a wonderful day.